Habs Fan TV, I'm here with a family here.
Les Gautros.
Les Gautros are in the building, and they just saw a Canadiens win. Very rare. Very rare.
David never get any points.
That's right.
So tonight, there's rumors that apparently Jake Allen is going to take out his phone, his keys, and also going to take out Connor McDavid out of his pocket.
He's our boy. We're from St. John, New Brunswick.
Oh, yeah?
And Jake Allen is in Fredericton, so he's an hour away. We got to see him this summer at the Memorial Cup. Our St. John Sea Dogs won. Woo! And we drove over 12 hours on Friday to get here through the storm. And we came to the game yesterday and today.
What tells you I need to drive 12 hours to come watch a Montreal
Les
Canadiens?
Canadiens de Montreal, baby!
What makes you guys go so insane over the
We are
Canadiens?
diehard Habs fans.
We love them. We just love every one of
Where
them.
does that start?
We were born
him,
and raised. With
How
this
does it
guy.
start? Tell me.
It started with me.
Many years ago.
Because I've been a Habs fan. I'm 73 years old, and I've been a Habs fan since I've been God
Our
knows how old.
basement is a shrine. Our basement's a shrine.
You got like a cave?
Oh, a
yeah.
cave full of stuff. He'll pull it up and show you.
You think?
We watch every game at home. We just love them. We cheer them on all the time.
She won Pezzetta stick in
In
the
Movember. In the Movember.
Nice.
Yeah.
Michael Pezzetta is a friend of the channel too.
Yes. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. We
Let's
love
take a look at this.
That's
Show
my-
this to the camera.
Show it to the camera. We
Let's
have
see
a
this.
Habs shrine.
That's insane.
Yeah.
It is.
You know, I have a friend. His name's Habs Cave on Instagram.
Yes.
He
I
has
follow
like
him too. Habs TV.
he might have a contender here.
Yes.
He might have a contender in
Yeah.
Larry.
Yeah.
There we go.
And we love Den Hick. We always watch your Kirby Dach. Yeah. It's great.
Do you think it's time that Kirby Dach comes outside to meet Dan Hick?
Yes.
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 I think so. It's about time.
Yeah. it
Here's a
has
good
to
one if you
happen.
want to get that.
There we
one.
go. Let's put that in there.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. That's exactly what a diehard fan. That's like the definition.
We watch every game at home. We go over to their house in the basement. It's a shrine, and we watch every game. We cheer them on. We jump up. He's got a lazy boy. I got a lazy boy. We're on the couch. We love our Habs. We're so excited to come, and the hockey gods were with us this weekend. One yesterday
Big
and
time.
one today.
Oh
Big
yeah.
time.
Yeah, Brad
Like,
pumped.
you know, because coming down here 12 hours,
Yeah.
you're taking a risk in this season, right?
Weather.
Yeah.
They had every kind of weather coming
It was
up
a
here
blizzard.
Friday.
New Brunswick was snowy. That's why
It took 12
us so long.
hours.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It'll take
it
you
was
from
worth
8 to
it.
10.
And I mean, tonight, what do you think is the most impressive player, or who's the player? You know, Valentine's Day's coming up, right?
Yes.
So who's the player that you think is not getting enough love right now? That should be.
I mean, honestly, I was really impressed with Kovacevic. I thought he did
Kovacevic.
great. I really thought he played well. Harris, too. Harris is great. I mean, our D-man, Harvey Pinard, blocking all those shots.
He's the future.
Yeah.
You think so?
Oh, no doubt.
Gallagher
You think he-
2.0.
Gallagher too.
Gallagher 2.0.
Yeah.
It's an upgrade.
Yep. I mean, Jack Guy's out there doing what he's going to do. We
Yeah.
had our
Oh, I hope he's
Wi-Fi
not hurt.
sign.
He never came back.
Oh, he definitely is, by the way. We saw some replays. His hand was like hanging out like that.
Then he needs a lot of love.
Yeah. Jack Guy.
I hope his girlfriend gives him lots of roses, takes care of him tomorrow. He's gonna need it. Thank you very much. Have Fan TV.
Have Fan TV.
Let's see the booth.
There you go.